Hello students. In before lecture we have studied about the resources. So may you understand about the resources, the sources which are need to complete our daily life, the complete our daily needs. So and in that we have seen the all types of the resources are very important for us. So and we have seen that there are the two types of the resources. They are natural and human made. So in the natural resources we have seen there are two types of the natural resources. Which are the two types of the natural resources? So there are renewable and non-renewable. So renewable means what? Which can replace early. So see, when you are cut the trees, you plant one tree at your home. You plant one tree at your home and you cut it. So how many days are there to grow this plant? So that plant takes the many days to grow. So when the one plants grow into the tree, that took near about the 5 to 6 years. And if we need more bigger plant, that took more than 5 years. So when the any particular plant or the particular source naturally they takes many years to grow, that is known as the renewable resource. And the any particular source which are create very early, that is known as the renewable resource. Now water, when rain falls, that time water we will get very early. Air, by the plants we can get the fresh air very fast. It renew the very fastly. And the soil, we can use soil again and again. It can fertile, it can get the nice crops from the soil. We can cultivate different type of the crops in the soil. So that is the renewable resource. So in the natural resources we study the renewable resources and the non-renewable resources. Before we study, now we going to see the human made resources. Now which source is made by the human? Can you tell some examples? Yes, you are sitting in the bus and traveling, then many on the vehicles run on the road. You live in the houses and the buildings. That building and house, who constructed? That are constructed by the human with the help of technology. So what the things made by the human beings? Then buildings, then bridges, roads, and the machineries. Now you are at home, many machineries are there. Which are there? Refrigerator is there, and the iron is there, AC is there, two-wheeler, four-wheeler, and that all runs with the help of the machines. So that made by the human being, and these all are we needed. This building, bridge, roads and machines, these all are our needs, that all are our needs. So the things which are need to us, that is known as the resource. So naturally whatever the creates, that is natural resource, and the made by the human, that are the human made resources. So the people like us, we natural resources make the human made resources. The people made sources with the help of the natural resources. Abhi natural resources, which one is there? So iron ore, with the help of iron ore, what we make? Machine. What we make? Machinery. And that machinery who made? This is the natural source. And this is the, with the help of the natural source, iron ore is the non-renewable resource, and with the help of that we made the machineries. This is the human made resource. So all the natural resources are helpful to make a human made resources. So humans beings are taking use of the natural resources to make a human made resources. So here is the one question for you again. Make a list of the 500 human made things and 5 resources that you can observe around us. What do you think? Which human made resources you see? Vehicles, then roads. You take another examples. So whatever the books also this one source to study. Then mobile, TV, and many more. These are the human made resources. Nowadays we can't live without the vehicles, and if roads are not there, then vehicles can't run. So books is very important, and mobiles also. So these are the some human made resources which are very useful in our daily life. So then next we will going to see the crops. So soil is the renewable resource of the natural. With the help of soil, what the farmers cultivate? Crops. And with the crops, what comes? For example, rice, otherwise wheat. And then with the help of this, we are, whatever the food of our home, that's come in the pack. Whatever the chapati and other rice things, that are the human made resource. See, natural resource, and with the natural resource we are convert into the human made resource. So same like that. For example, you take the sugar cane. Sugar cane is the natural resource, and with the help of that, what we make? We use sugar cane into the sugar factory to make a sugar. With the help of sugar factory, we make a sugar, and that is the human made resource. So many examples are there. So you should be write the examples of there. So do you know human resources refer to the number of quality and ability and mental and physical of the peoples. Many human resources ये क्या कर रहे हैं, हमें change कर रहे हैं. So whatever the naturally are there, that are very good for us, but when we are grains are there, food grains are there in the agriculture, various things are there that are, some are naturally grow, some are artificial. We can see the natural fertilizers and artificial fertilizers. So natural fertilizers are there, cow dung cake. Artificial fertilizers are there, whatever the fertilizers we spray on the plants and we put on the soil. So these all are there. So human resources अभी ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेस है, ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्सेस में टू है, ह्यूमन मेड, ह्यूमन मेड में क्या आता है, रोड्स, थिंग्स, ऑल, व्हीकल्स, कार, बस, बिल्डिंग, but in the human made resources there also one another type, that is the human resource. अभी ह्यूमन रिसोर्स कैसे हो सकता है, with the help of human beings we are survive. How we are survive with the help of human resource? Doctor, farmer, and another's many are there. So how peoples are the one human resource. Peoples are one human resource. Peoples को हम human resource क्यों कह सकते हैं? See, doctor, farmer, scientist, these are the source to us. They are helping to us. Doctor, when we are physically, mentally are not fit, that time doctors will help us, and they are need. Doctors are need for us. So that's why the physically, mentally fit jab rehna, that time doctors are helping to us. So farmers are cultivating the crops in the farm, and they give us the food. Who gives the food? Mostly farmers, because they hard work in the farm and we get the food. Next, scientists. So with the help of their technology and skill, they are helping us. अभी डॉक्टर्स के पास भी टेक्नोलॉजीज एंड स्किल्स होते हैं, फिजिकली मेंटली हमें फिट करने के लिए. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट दे वे आर हेल्पिंग अस. फार्मर्स, they also use the skills and technology in their farm, and they create the food, good quality food, crops cultivated there, and the grains cultivated, food, vegetables, fruits, that all we get from the farmers. Scientist. Now scientists, we are searching the many things. We can nowadays see the now we are suffering from the disease pandemic, corona pandemic, and what happened, the many scientists, medical researchers are busy into find out the vaccinations. Now vaccinations came also in the many countries, that now vaccinations started. So what happened, with the help of scientists, medical researchers, we are getting the vaccinations, and with the help of that we are suffer our life very normally. When we are taking vaccinations, medical researchers with the help of technology and the skill, they are create the medicines with, and with the help of that they give us they create the vaccinations, and we live safely in the our country, our area, our environment, that all. So human people is also the one resource. Peoples, yes, we also the one resource. हम भी एक रिसोर्स है जो कि हम हेल्प कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ तो वर्क कर रहे हैं. टीचर, योर टीचर इज द सोर्स टू यू. हाउ they teach you, they giving knowledge to you with their teaching skill, and with the help of that you are going to learn and write the many things. And so people's also the one human resource, and human made resource is different, and human resources, human resource means human only one resource. हम ही एक रिसोर्स है जो कि हम किसी न किसी स्किल और टेक्नोलॉजी के यूज़ करके लोगों को हेल्प कर रहे हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर ह्यूमन मेड थिंग्स. हमने जो भी हमने बनाए वाले थिंग्स है, दैट आर ह्यूमन मेड थिंग्स. सो मे यू अंडरस्टैंड द रिसोर्सेस लेसन. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ कंजर्विंग द रिसोर्सेस. हाउ वी कैन कंजर्व इट, हम इसे कंजर्व कैसे कर सकते हैं. कंजर्व मीन्स व्हाट? Conservation means carefully and giving them time to get ready. We should be, conservation means we should be use it carefully. Use carefully. Yes or no? Means conserving और saving. हम उसे कहेंगे saving कैसे करना है sources की. सोर्सेस का यूज़ कैसे करना है? केयरफुली करना है और उसका सेविंग करना है. सो यू नो, इन द समर डेज वी आर सफरिंग फ्रॉम द मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स. विच प्रॉब्लम्स? वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी. विच प्रॉब्लम्स? वाटर अवेलेबिलिटी. सो these when we not getting the water, what happen? We are suffering from many problems. Sometimes we not get water for the household uses, so then we want to go far. Now many peoples of the villages, they want to go for the collect the water from the long distance. So we should be conserve the water, rain water. We should be save the rainwater by the rainwater harvesting and the many ways. So you should be now in your textbook there is the one conversation given here. So this is your work to read these conversations between the mom and his children. So how they are conserving the conservation doing of the things, natural resources and the many other resources. So now conserving the resources means what? The using resources carefully and giving them time to get renew. जब तक हमारे पास एक्स्ट्रा का सेव नहीं होता है, that time we should be not finish our whatever the resource we have. So using the resources carefully and giving them time to get renew. रिन्यू होने तक हमें जो भी सोर्स है उसे क्या करना है? यूज करना है. ऐसे ही यूज करना है. सो हाउ वी आर कंजर्विंग देन? Balancing the need to use the resources. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Sustainable development means what? Sustainable development. Sustainable development means what? कि सोर्सेस को बैलेंसिंग नीड करना है. बैलेंसिंग मीन्स उसको केयरफुली यूज़ करके जहाँ तक जरूरी है वहाँ ही यूज़ करना है. और बैलेंस करना है मतलब फ्यूचर के लिए सेव करके ही रखना है. जब तक न्यू डेवलप नहीं होता है, न्यू क्रिएट नहीं होता है, दैट टाइम टिल वी शुड बी यूज द सोर्सेस वेरी केयरफुली. न्यू क्रिएट होने तक हमें क्या करना है? बैलेंस में यूज़ करना है, केयरफुली यूज़ करना है ताकि उसका यूज़ फ्यूचर में हो, सबके लिए हो. दैट इज़ नोन एज द सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्सेज. There are many ways to conserving resources. Each person can contribute by the reducing the consumption, the recycling and the reusing things. Ultimately, it makes the difference because all our lives are linked. अभी हमारे पूरे लाइफ हम एक दूसरे से लिंक हैं और we should be use the this natural resources very carefully. How we are using this one? So we can see. Number 1, 3 hours. 3 hours we should be use. What? Number 1 is there reducing. Reducing means हम जो एक्स्ट्रा का यूज़ करें उसको रिड्यूस करना है. जैसे कि आप 2 buckets वाटर बाथिंग के लिए ले रहे तो यू शुड बी यूज एटलीस्ट 1 If very emergency need, then you can take to. We should be reduce means हमने कम करना चाहिए. You are using the vehicles every time. Vehicles use कर रहे. For example, टू व्हीलर से, फोर व्हीलर है. सो व्हीकल्स का यूज रिड्यूस करना है. कम डिस्टेंस पे यू शुड बी यूज द बाइसिकल. सो रिड्यूसिंग. नेक्स्ट वन इज देयर रिसाइकलिंग. रिसाइकलिंग. सो रिसाइकलिंग क्या हो सकता है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्लास्टिक बॉटल्स आर देयर. प्लास्टिक वट एवर द मटेरियल्स आर देयर, you should be recycle it. Papers are there, that you should be collect and then give to factory. प्लास्टिक के जो भी थिंग्स है उसका भी रिसाइकलिंग हो सकता है. और पेपर्स जो है हमारे बुक से, नोटबुक से, तो उसका भी रिसाइकलिंग होता है. सो दैट वी शुड बी रिसाइकल. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे घर का जो गार्बेज है, गार्बेज हम क्या कर सकते हैं, उसका रिसाइकल यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि हम उसको प्लांट में डाल के उसको फिर से एज अ फर्टिलाइजर का यूज़ कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है, फर्स्ट इज देयर 3 R's मीन्स रिड्यूसिंग द यूज ऑफ द रिसोर्सेज. नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज है तो, और ह्यूमन मेड रिसोर्स है तो उसका यूज़ कम करना है. हम जितना यूज़ करें रिड्यूस करना है उसको थोड़ा सा, जो कि फ्यूचर में हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. रिसाइकल करना है. कुछ भी थिंग्स है जिसका हम बार बार यूज़ कर सकते हैं तो उसको रिसाइकल करना है. एंड नेक्स्ट है रीयूजिंग. विच वन इज देयर? रीयूजिंग थिंग्स. रीयूजिंग थिंग्स. सो रीयूजिंग मीन्स व्हाट? सो सॉइल, we can use the soil for again cultivations, but we should be use it properly. Reusing means and many things are there. We can filter it. जैसे रेन वाटर, तो उसको फिल्टर करके उसको हम हार्वेस्ट करके उसका फिर से रीयूज कर सकते हैं. सो 3 R's मीन्स रिड्यूसिंग, रिसाइकलिंग एंड रीयूजिंग. सो 3 R's you should be follow, then our conservation of the resources will be developed, and we should be plant more and more trees. When we are plant more and more trees, what will happen? It will develop the our atmosphere. It will be reduce the air pollution, and when air pollution reduce, we will get the natural source, that is the air freshly, and rainfall also be rainfall will be there, and the many more things. So many things are there. All uses of renewable resource are sustainable, and then diversity of the life, our earth is conservation are very important. And we should be plant more and more tree. We should be not use the water. We should be save the water. We should be save the trees and save the earth. So many things are there. When you will read more and more things about the resources, you will get answer. So some principles of the sustainable development. Sustainable development are here. You can check. So here is the discussion you should be reading. Sustainable डेवलपमेंट के कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स है. रिपीट एंड केयर फॉर ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ द लाइफ. ऑल फॉर्म्स ऑफ द लाइफ, लाइफ के ऑल फॉर्म्स को क्या करना है आपको? डेवलप करना है. सो मतलब अच्छे से उसको यूज़ करना है. इम्प्रूव द क्वालिटी ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ. ह्यूमन लाइफ की क्वालिटी डेवलप करना है. कंजर्व द अर्थ्स विटैलिटी एंड द डाइवर्सिटी. अर्थ की विटैलिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी को क्या करना है? कंजर्व करना है. मिनिमाइज द डिपेंडेंस ऑफ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. मिनिमाइज, हमने नेचुरल रिसोर्स पे ज़्यादा डिपेंड नहीं रहना है. पेट्रोल है, डीजल है, अभी वो उसकी क्या हो रही है? बहुत कमतरता हो रही है. सो वी शुड बी कंजर्व इट. वी शुड बी रिड्यूस द यूज ऑफ इट. चेंज द पर्सनल एटीट्यूड एंड द प्रैक्टिस द टूवर्ड्स द इन्वायरमेंट. चेंज द, अरे इन्वायरमेंट को हमको डेवलप करना है, उसको क्लीन रखना है, उसको ग्रो प्लांटेशंस उसकी ग्रोथ करने. सो वी शुड बी चेंज द पर्सनल एटीट्यूड. एनेबल कम्युनिटीज टू केयर फॉर देयर ओन इन्वायरमेंट. एनेबल कम्युनिटीज जो है तो उसका केयर करना है, ओन इन्वायरमेंट समझ के और उसका डेवलप करना है. So this is the exercise. You should be complete the exercise and the activity given in the page number 5 and 6. So thank you. Have a nice day.